Hello, good day everyone. You are welcome to yet another video of BuildPro Global Enterprise YouTube channel. I would like to show you how to create and insert windows into a floor plan today. Okay, this video is actually part of a video series that shows you how to create a simple floor plan using AutoCAD. However, in this particular video, we'll learn how to create and insert windows into a floor plan. Without any waste of time, let's get started. And now click on my line. Let me draw it over here. Click on the first point and now move away. The first window I want to draw is the 4-feet window, which is 1200 millimeters. So I'm going to type 1200 millimeters on my keyboard and press enter. The line now breaks at that point. Okay, I'll now move downward and type 230 millimeters. 230 is my wall thickness. Okay, I'll now press enter. I'll go this way and still type 1200 millimeters and press enter. And now close it like this and hit escape to move out of the command. So this is my window of 4 feet, that's 1200 millimeters. I'm not through with the drawing yet. I'm going to offset. To offset, I'll press O on my keyboard and press enter. I'm going to offset 80 millimeters inward so I can have my window sills. So I'll click here, then I'll come downward and click. I'll click on this wall as well, then I'll go up and click. I'll now press escape on my computer keyboard. These two lines here are my window lines, so I need to make it a bit bolder than the other two lines. So I'm going to increase this line weight. Presently it's at 0.15 millimeters. So I'll highlight these two lines and go over to my properties group. It's located over here. So I'll change the line thickness to 0.3 millimeters. Now let me change the color as well. Still on the properties group, I'll click on color over here. Let me give it this navy blue color. And now press escape on my computer keyboard. I'm not through with the window yet. Let me create my window frame. To do that, I'm going to offset 50 millimeters. I'll type O on my keyboard and press enter. Then I type 50 millimeters and press enter again. Then I select this object I'm going to offset 50 this way, 50 this way, and now press escape after offsetting all I need. Now let me pick my trim command under the modify group here. I'll click, then I'll come over to these edges here and trim out the places I don't need. Okay, so let me press escape on my keyboard. Now I'm going to make this line the same thickness with this other one here. So instead of selecting the lines one after the other and going to the properties group to change the line weight, what I need to do is to match the properties of the two lines. There's a command known as match properties. It's still located at the properties group. If you're on the home tab, you come over to match properties over here and click on it. I'll now select the source object. This is my source object, so I'll click on it. Then I'll select the destination object. Destination object is the object I want to make it look like this other one I just click on right now, which is this. So I'm going to click on the line. It's now having the same properties with the source object. I'll now come to the other part here and still give it the same properties. Okay, so I'll press escape after finishing everything. I'm done with this window right now. So in the same vein, I'm going to pause this video and create the other two types of window. Then I'll return after I finish everything. Okay, you're welcome back. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to convert these windows I created into blocks so that I can easily access them anytime I need it. To convert these windows into blocks, you need to highlight the window. Okay, so I'm starting with this window. That's 1200 millimeter window. After highlighting, I now come over to the block group, which is over here. It's found under the Home tab. Come to the block group, then you click on this icon here, which is Create, to create a new block. I'll click there, then I give the block a name. I'm going to give it the name 1200mm window. Then I specify the base point by clicking on Pick Point over here. Then I'll choose the base point for this block over here at this angle. After clicking on my base point, I'll be brought back to this dialog box and now click on OK. So I've made this 4-feet window into a block now. You can see it now highlighting at the same time as I hover over it. So it's now a block. This other one that is not a block, you can see it highlighting differently. In the same vein, I'm going to convert these other 2 windows to a block, just like I did with this 4-feet window. Okay, so these 3 windows have been converted to blocks. So even if I delete everything now, I can still access the windows anytime I need them under my block group. So let me erase the windows. I want to insert a 4-feet window or 1200mm window. All I need to do now is to go to my block group and click on Insert. You can see I have 1200mm window here. So I'll click on it and my block will be brought back. So I'll now choose where I want to place it and click. Now this window is horizontal while my wall is vertical. So I need to rotate the window so it can fit into this window opening. Now to rotate, I will have to highlight the window first of all. Then I go over to the Modify group. Over here, you can see we have the Rotate command here. I'll click on Rotate. I'll now come over here. AutoCAD is asking me to specify base point. I'll now choose this H as my base point. I'll now click and move away to start rotating the window to the direction I want. I want it this way, so I'm going to click here now. After rotating the window, I can now easily move it into place by highlighting it. Then I use the Move command to move it. The Move command is still under the Modify group. You can see it here. I'll click on Move and then choose a base point on my window. I'll click here as my base point and now move it to the edge of the wall here and place it. So what I need to do next is to copy this window into the other openings of the same size. I'll now highlight the window, then I pick the copy command. I can equally type CO on my keyboard and press enter to activate the copy command. I'll now click on the window over here and copy it all around and press the escape key after copying everything. I'll now rotate or flip all the windows so that they can fit into the openings properly. As for this window, I don't need to rotate it. Let me highlight it and move it into place using the Move command. This one also, I don't need to rotate it. I simply move it into place. I'll need to flip this other window. And now use the Move command after rotating it to move it into place. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the remaining windows. Now I've finished placing all the windows of 1200mm size. So I'll go over to my block, that's my block group, and insert the other sizes of windows. That's the 900mm window. So I'll come over here and click on block and now click on my 900mm window. I'll now highlight the window and rotate it so that it can fit well into the wall. I'll now move it into place by using the Move command. So this is my 900mm window. I'll do the same thing for this window that is 600mm. I'll come over to my Insert block and click on 600mm window. Then I choose this place as my base point and place the window. So I've finished inserting all the windows of my building plan. Thank you for watching. Please endeavor to click on the subscribe button below to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.